Next is an article on Adweek entitled AI Cannot Replace Real Leadership. And I thought this was just great. And it's a very interesting article. I definitely encourage everyone to check it out at Adweek. And essentially, it's talking about, and it actually quotes how, in our article at Harvard Business Review is quoted in it, and several studies that essentially are saying that they're finding that leadership within business, within marketing, can't be replaced by AI. And it's just literally, like, I just encourage everyone to read it. I'll tell you, my opinion is it can't. And we've literally been talking about this, that we view at Brick Marketing AI as a tool to help scale, but AI is not a replacement, especially for strategic leadership. There's no way you can replace years of experience and intuition using an AI platform. I mean, I don't see it happening at this point, and I don't even see it in the future. So I thought this was a really great article. It's great to see Adweek, really advocating for our industry. It really is. So, Catherine, John, what do you both think on this?
I think this is great. I have heard stories from people saying that, company leadership is starting to use AI to create internal memos to convey information, and it started to make them feel undervalued. They wished, you can go ahead and use AI to help you communicate with people, like especially to help you formulate your thoughts. But if you use exclusively AI to communicate, for example, and that doesn't even cover what you can do with data, machine versus human. But anyway, if you use AI to exclusively communicate, you're going to come off as not being very genuine, and that doesn't make you a good leader.
Mm-hmm.
And the article also touched on using it for data. That's great. It can help you go through information, but it should not be leadership's only way of extracting strategic understanding from data that's collected. You absolutely need to have your human touch.
Yeah, I can't see how. Oh well, let's just roll the dice and let ChatGPT blindly make strategic decisions for our company, right? Like, I feel like companies that are doing that right now are gonna pay the price in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and quite frankly, we'll be here to pick up the pieces for you. I mean, seriously, if you're
Right.
running
Well,
all
help
your
you.
strategic, yeah, I mean, seriously, if you're running your strategic all aspects of your marketing strategy, sales strategy, using AI. I mean, I don't think that's going to be effective for you. So
Yeah, it comes off as hollow. You don't seem like yourself.
right,
Everyone can tell if it's you speaking or AI speaking. We're at that point with
yeah,
AI use in the workplace.
yep,
So
yep. John, what do you think, real quick? What do you think on this?
Yeah. The issue with using AI in a leader's or like as a leadership role, right, is there's a lot of issues with it. For one, being a leader is a very human thing. Like there's a lot of like human randomness or intuition that's going to go into being a leader. It's not completely 100% like by the books, right? Things come up. You have to go off of your gut sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
And the other thing is that AI, if you ask it to make a decision, it's going to tell you something different, right? If you ask it something and then you ask it the same thing 5 seconds later, it's going to be different. So
Yes, it is.
you can't
Good point.
rely 100% on what it's saying. It might be able to give you some decent advice depending
Right.
on what it is, but that advice is going to be different. And
Hmm.
even using it to influence the way you make decisions is almost like, random, like drawing out of a hat, right? So